hold, straighten and smooth. This is one of my favorite parts about Procreate in general, because it really makes things a lot easier when you're doing precise items and drawings, and it really makes the process smooth and simple. So what this essentially is when you are drawing something, let's say we want to draw a box, and to do that with our best intention of making a box as neat as possible, normally end up with something like that. So some people are really good at it, some people are not, obviously. So in my case, I'm just doing a quick box and it looks pretty shambolic. So let's go back. We'll just undo by hitting like this. When you're drawing a box this time, we'll go down, but keep the pen on the page, and as you get to the last point, hold down, and you can see all of the four sides straighten. So what you have is a much more neater box. Now it's not perfect, so that's where you got to, I'm just going to undo, that's where you got to think, okay, let's start drawing. Hold, and then you get an individual line. Perfect line, just draw it to the top, hold, line created, draw to the left, hold, another line created. So this is how you create dead straight lines on the fly, by drawing something, holding down, and it actually just starts to straighten off everything. In this case, it's made an interesting kind of crack shape. So I'm going to undo that. The same applies for circles. If you try to draw a circle as best as possible, you can only get something like that. It's not perfect around the edges. So what we want to do is, same principle, draw the circle, but when we get to the end, hold, and you get this really crisp ellipse. Keep trying this with different brush strokes. If you try it on different brushes, it applies the same. So I'm going to undo these guys here, get back to a clean screen, and it works like that. Same principle works. So there's a very much smooth circle, so you can create varying shapes like so. This is really handy for any kind of geometric exercises you may be doing.